Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide important menu on Gmail. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide important menu on Gmail, go to your Gmail account and look under menu list. You will find important menu here. I am going to hide this important menu. Click on gear icon called settings on upper right corner. Now click on see all settings. Now under settings, click on labels tab. Here you will find important, and by default important is appeared on menu list, and you will find here two options, show or hide. Click on hide and look, important label hidden from label list, and look, important menu is unappeared here. If you want to appear important menu in menu list, just click on show here. Look, important menu is again appeared in menu list. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.